Mema akwaba eba channel we so. Ewo channel we so no ye review websites, games, software, apps, and products. Inti se wo sa anima we bia ubetimi asende amaye through your WhatsApp number. And as our friend so a we pick you na you know akasa na yadi more details about website and our product, game, software and as app. Na yaka ho asem ache amansan. Bibia you free. Na say what the website and our game, software am I say yanka ho asem a mpacho make sure say we accept negative parts because yanka only the positive. You better research after a game or software and ask any other channel may say come beyond. You better share the negative and the positive parts. Me midi my demu chame your frame water. We share microphone our more knowledge about different parts.
Ama bibiara sesa ene abefon krato internet so na obiara edi ne juma ema bibiara yefo na esanso ye ntemtem wenti na G2 Family Limited abama wo obi babisa na G2 Family Limited wajuma ne senkra G2 Family Limited eye company bia eye 90% remote services 90% remote services no kirese se wotu fia na ofra ye betra yen office na de wuhia no ana ohwehwe no yaya ma wo a onse wadaje usika omre ka mutuna ene emunsemsem wotu fia Simaka krabi na yayama umpewe na opedien G2 Family Limited wanajumani bi ene G2 phone services wire flashing, decoding, unlocking, iCloud remove, tracking missing or stolen phone, recovery of deleted files. So unema bi directive free mobile no so na se usan hia wadia yebetumi ayama samba phone protection ene nyama pi wenyina omwa nha ho emayen office de hia ne se obefre G2 computer services yeye hardwares ene software repairs so computer no asay ana bibiara a ohia ewo computer no hono freyen afei G2 security system where CCTV camera installation where install alarm ewo wo office ana wo kam where solar installation air condition installation G2 programming and tech where website building so personal websites are wobeyama networking app development data analysis databases any enyema pino where G2 video and animation where video editing so watch video and now person won twa na one editing mawa where wobetwa na waside the amount short video animation explainer logo animation for kids any video hodma biara de wobeya amount G2 graphic and design so pese yenye logo manwa yebeya amount wo design business cards t-shirt printing banners signboards books and album designs architectural and floor designs bribi biara a designs any printing ho de G2 Family Limited any the best point G2 digital marketing ebia we a company we adwuma we business o pese yenye wo advert e wo online ema obiara ente wonka wobeya ma adwuma dodo amabobo so anyina no wo de frekeke na enhyehyeye ene akwan a ewo ho no obehunu a omwa enante enha ho ema yen office mese frekeke na de ohwehwe no onsa beka one website www.mylistringgh.com na se eba no repair side nso a one website na www.mobileunlocksgh.com
in case say wo problem bia concern side device we are follow me what is GSM say hardware problem and also software problem memo solution say one subscriber so can say obey subscribe say the way bring latest update of devices bye bye.